welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you the benefit of turmeric and coconut oil, and I'm also going to be showing you how I mix it and how I apply it on my face. So join me, guys. Okay guys, we've come to the end of today's video. If you like this video, please click this thumbs up button down below to show that you like this video, and if you are yet to subscribe, please click the subscribe button down below. I love you all.